Hey guys, I'd like to thank you for watching first of all and tuning in. This video is about my dishwasher. Had some problems with it here recently. The heating element would not heat up, would not dry the dishes, would not boost the temperature. You can see my dishwasher here. It's a model number GDT 580 SMF2ES. That's a GE dishwasher, but it wouldn't heat, so it wouldn't heat the dishes, wouldn't clean, wouldn't do the steam, the boost, or the sanitize modes on the dishwasher. So basically, we're just cleaning with lukewarm water, which was terrible. So what we ended up doing was I pulled the dishwasher out, I replaced the heating element. Tested the old one, it was all good. Wasn't that. I couldn't find any information on the internet about it, so I'm hoping that this video helps somebody, but I couldn't find anything. So what I ended up doing was replacing this, found this flow control, excuse my dirty mess here, but this is a flow control sensor, and there's a little ball in here that measures the flow of the water and how much water is actually in the unit. So actually replace that. It's about $25, so it's a pretty cheap fix if this is what's causing yours to not heat up. But again, couldn't find much information on the internet about it, but there's two screws, one right here and then one on the other side right there. Basically just pop those two screws out and that little gray piece pops up. Just be careful because there's a hole right there, and then there's another hole on the other side. You can't see, I actually lost a screw in there. It was not a fun night. I had to pull the dishwasher out, pop out the motor, pull the screw out of the motor, put everything back together. So be highly advised that you use a magnet whenever you pop that out. But basically those two screws come out, that gray piece comes out, the flow control sensor comes out as well. There is a electrical connector underneath, so whenever you pull it out, first of all, make sure there's no water in there in the bottom, because it will drain underneath the dishwasher. Second of all, when you pull it out, be careful because there's not much room on the electrical sensor, and I would highly advise that you pull power to it through your breaker box first. Unhook power because you want to be safe first and foremost. But that's what I did. I replaced that sensor, and here's the model number of it. It's a WD21X10519. Got it on Amazon for like $25. Put that guy back in there, and it worked like a champ. Like I said, it was about 25 bucks. Takes about 5 minutes to replace, and that should fix your issue if you're having problems with your dishwasher not steaming or heating the dishes, or the water temperature is not getting boosted. So I hope this video helps you. I'd like to thank you for tuning in and subscribing, and if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please like this, comment on it, ask me questions, and subscribe please, and share if you want. Appreciate your help. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless.